Good afternoon, guys. Um, this is this is this is General Tutorial. My name is Celestine. On today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to solve differential equations using integrating factor method. Now, I have number one question. Is the point says that you have to solve solve x bracket x plus one dy over dx minus y is equals to e raised to power x bracket x plus one all the power square. Now, therefore, what to do this solution to solve this question? Simply simply make dy over dx the solving formula. So it means that now if you check this dy over dx, what's the coefficient of dy over dx here? The coefficient is x plus 1. So it means I have to divide everything here by x plus 1. So that becomes dy over dx over x plus 1 minus y over x plus 1 is equals to ex bracket 1 plus bracket x plus 1 all square all over x plus 1. So if solved, this becomes what? This cancel out, this remain only dy over dx. Now minus, this is same thing as this. So minus 1 over x plus 1 y is equal to e raised by x. This x plus 1 cancel out, remains only what? X plus 1. You understand? So therefore the above equation is in the form of what? Dy over dx plus py is equal to q, where this is dy over dx, this is dy over dx. You understand? And this is py. My p here alone, is 1 over x plus 1, and this y is what's attached to here, which is equal to, and everything here is what is your q. You understand? So means that, so in solving the differential equation using integrating factor method, always make the equation to to be like this. You understand? So that becomes, this is very simple. So once the equation is like this, so now it's very easy for us to carry our solving. So by using the formula y dot if is equal to integral of q dot if, where if is the word integrating factor, which is u, which is same as u. So therefore, if you check in this equation now, this is p and this is what y. Okay, so my p here is what? Is minus 1 over x plus 1, right? So therefore integrating of p, now therefore integrating of p is what? Is minus n, is what? You know that as usual 1 over x plus 1, 1 over any function is same thing as n of that word, of that function. So that becomes, with this minus, that becomes minus n bracket x plus 1. Okay, now therefore remember, always know that if, which is the integrating factor, always know that if, which is the integrating factor, is being gotten by e raised power integral of what? P, which is equals e raised power I. And you know that my integral of p is what? Is minus n bracket x plus 1. You understand? So therefore, now therefore for me to cancel out this exponent and n, you understand, this power has to go on top of this. So that becomes what? This exponent cancel n, remains x plus 1 all raised power minus what? All raised power what? Minus 1. So which is something as 1 over x what? Plus 1. Okay, now therefore my if is 1 over x plus 1. So after doing that, what do you do? Now what do you do? Putting all the values in the equation formula, putting all the answers gotten here in the word, in the equation formula, which is this, which is y dot if is called q dot if. You understand? So that becomes my y here, this is y bracket. What's my if? My if is 1 over x plus 1, which is equal to integral of what? Q. What's my q? My q is e raised by x bracket x plus 1. So which is what? E raised by x bracket x plus 1. Now times, what's my if? My if is 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so that becomes, if you multiply this become y bracket 1 over x plus 1 is equal to integral of what? If you multiply this is what? X plus 1 cancel x plus 1, remains what? Only e raised by x. You understand? So that becoming y bracket 1 over x plus 1 is equals to e raised by x plus 1 is equals to what? Yeah, is equals to integral of e raised by x. Okay, so this becomes what? Y bracket 1 over x plus 1 is equals to what? Now integrate e raised by x is something like e raised by x plus c, so where is the constant. So therefore my y, so if you multiply everything here, that becomes y over x plus 1 is equal to e raised by x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Or now, or for me to leave my y alone, so I have to multiply everything here by x plus 1. So, or multiplying both sides by x plus 1. If I multiply this by x plus 1, this remains only y, which is y over x plus 1 times x plus 1 is equal to e raised to power x times x plus 1 plus c times x plus 1. So, which is, this cancel out remains only y. So, y is equal to what? E raised to power x bracket x plus 1 plus c raised to power bracket x plus 1. So, this is what? Answer. This is very, very simple. So, I have number two question. Number two question says that we have to solve dy over dx plus y cos x is equals cos x. Now, if you check in this equation, now this equation resemble dy over dx plus py, which is equal to q, where this is my dy over dx, this is dy over dx. Okay, this is my what? My p here is cos x. This is my y equal to cos x is q. Okay, so that become, now let's start. P is what? Is cos x, right? P is cos x. So I know that cos x is something as what? Cos x is something as cos x over what? Sin x. Okay, now therefore let's integrate p. Now integrating p is equal to integrate cos x over sin x is something as n sin x. Do you agree with me? Yes. You know that cos x over sin x, integration of this is something as what? Is something as in x. You know, which is still the same thing as in x is something as 1 over what? Sin x. Now in differentiate sin x is something as times something as cos x, so which is something as cos x over sin x. You understand? So means that integrating of cos x over sin x is something like n sin x. Okay, now therefore I know that my integrating factor is something as is equals to e raised to integral of p. So which is equals e raised to, I know that my integral of p is what? Is in x. So if n to cancel out n, that remains only sin x. Okay, now I know that my q here is what? Q is cos x. So since q is cos x, now putting every values, put all your values here in this word equation. Okay, in this equation, so that becomes y bracket times this doesn't mean times. So y times, what's my if? My if is what? Is sin x is equals, what's my q? My q is cos x, the integral cos x times my if is sin x. Okay, so that becoming what? Now y sin x is equals to cos x times sin x is something as cos square x. You understand? So that becoming y sin x is equals to what? Sin square x over 2. Okay, now which is this sign will give y sin x equals, now if I'm to integrate this, now integrate cos square x is something as well. Integrate cos is what? Is sine. So therefore bringing down the word, the power, so therefore bringing down the power, that become what? Sine square x over 2 plus c, where c is always a constant. Okay, now this can be your answer, or by leaving, or by making y the solve the formula, that becomes what? Multiply both sides by 1 over sin x. Multiply both sides by 1 over sin x, so that becomes y sin x times 1 over sin x is equals to what? Is equals to sin square x, is equals to sin square x over 2 times 1 over sin x plus what? C is constant, plus c times 1 over what? Sin x. This is sin x place, which is equal to, now sin x cancel out sin x, remains only y equal to what? Sin square x, sin x divided by sin square x remains only what? Sin x all over what? 2 plus this time, this will give you what? Will give me c, that will give me what? C over sin x. This is very, very simple. So that is what? Final answer. Please guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.